In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your web browser and go to roblox.com. Now you want to log into your account. Now from here in the home page, you want to click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select settings. So now from here, you want to click here on privacy. Let's just refresh. And just right here, before the camera input settings, you should see a beta setting. So it says beta features, and you can enable voice chat from there. So if you can't see it, it means that your age is still not verified. So go back to your account info, and from here, you want to click on verify my age. So why you want to verify your age is that for Roblox to know that you are 13 years old and older. If you're 13 years old and below, you cannot use the voice chat feature. So just click on verify my age and follow the instructions and the prompts needed to verify your age. After verifying, go back to privacy and you should see a beta feature setting right here to enable the voice chat settings. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.